Have you ever had those moments on your iMac or MacBook where you're looking for a file and it's just getting really frustrating trying to locate it and you cannot find for the life of you where you've placed that file, and then you feel like you've deleted it, and then you go searching through the library and you go searching through different places using Finder, and you use the Spotlight tool and you're trying to find the file and you just can't find it? Well, if this is you, you are definitely in the right place. My name's Anthony Allen. You're tuning to Anthony Allen Edits YouTube channel, the YouTube channel that is all about your video editing hints, tips, tricks, tutorials, and a sprinkle of technology in there, as well as teaching you how to edit with Final Cut Pro 10, aka Final Cut Pro X. And here in this video, I'm about to show you how to use Siri to locate your files, so that your workflow within your video editing software, your chosen video editing software on your Mac, whether it be Final Cut Pro or something else, is uninterrupted. I couldn't get that out then. Yeah, so basically your workflow will not be interrupted because you cannot find a file. So here's how you do that. I'm about to show you my screen. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so here we are on my desktop. First, I'm going to show you where Siri is located. And this is actually Mac OS Mojave that I'm using. So for those of you that don't have this available, you might need to update your operating system in order to have Siri available to you. So first I'm going to show you where Siri is located. So if I move my mouse up to the top right hand corner of the screen, you will see this icon. When we click that, Siri will begin to communicate with us. Also, just to let you know what we're going to find with Siri. So I have placed 3 separate files in 3 separate locations on my Mac. So when we're actually communicating with Siri and I'm telling you the commands to use, showing you the commands that you need to use to find specific files within your Mac, you will see where the file is located. So basically, in a nutshell, I'm going to give you a demonstration on how to find specific files using Siri via your Mac so that you can find the location of a file you are looking for. So our 3 files that we are going to look for are named Funny Fish, CBeebies, and Easy Edit. So let's get into it. I'm about to show you how to locate files using Siri. So the first step is to actually click and wake up Siri. Hello Siri.
Hey there.
Okay, so Siri has had a commune with us. It's just said hello. Right now, in order to communicate with Siri again, I need to wake Siri back up. So now we're going to give the command to find a specific file. Siri, can you show me the location for a file called Funny Fish?
You have one file matching Funny Fish.
Okay, so now Siri has located the file that we're looking for. With any other files that have a similar name, they will be actually displayed below it. But for this example, I'm going to show you how to open the file location. So first we're going to double click on the file. This has now opened up the file. At this point, what you can do is you can click this drop down menu, which should be on your file name, especially if it's a PNG, and you can see where the file is located, and that should help you locate a file. So let's try this again 3 more times. Another thing you can do is, depending on where the file has been opened up, as you will be able to access the file, you can then, in this case it's preview, I can then export this or save this to where I need it to be. Or in terms of sharing it with somebody else, I can share the file. This is the same for written Word files and so forth. You can access the file through Siri. So let's try this again with another file. Siri, can you locate a file called CBeebies?
You have one file matching CBeebies.
Okay, so Siri has located a file called CBeebies. This is another PNG, so I'm going to double click this. And there you go, we have located the file that we have been looking for. Again, I can do the same process as before and save this file as to where it's easier to be accessed. Or you can use the drop menu below at the side of it, and it's showing you that this is in a folder called Folder in Downloads, which I've created for the purpose of this demonstration. So let's have one more go to show you how this works. Hi Siri, can you locate a file called Easy Edit?
You have one file matching Easy Edit.
And there we have it. We can see from this demonstration that it has located the file. Now you can experiment with this and give Siri different commands in order to locate your file in different ways. Again, we can do the same process here, and we can open up the file right here. So there we have it. That is how you locate files using Siri. If you found a different way to do this and a different method or a different phrase of speech in order to find your file using Siri, please let us know in the comment section below, as this could help another one of my viewers here on this channel. You could be one of those people in the comment section that is also providing value and helping the viewers that come to this video, as I consider my channel a community channel that teach each other, and we learn and grow from each other, as well as you learning from the video that I'm uploading. So give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video in whatever shape or form that you have done. Comment down below if you have another method of doing this using Siri, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because I upload here on Anthony Allen Edits every single day, and you do not want to miss an upload, because I have some hidden gems that will really help you with your video editing and editing process. Thank you for watching Anthony Allen Edits. I'd love to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.